Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create Intuit Credit Karma account. So let's jump right in. To begin, launch any internet browser on your computer. I'll be using Google Chrome for this walkthrough. In the address bar at the top, type www.creditkarma.com and press enter. This will take you straight to Credit Karma's official homepage. Once you're on the site, head to the top right corner and click the button that says Sign Up for Free. A registration form will now appear on the left side of your screen. Start by typing in your email address, then create a password. Make sure your password contains at least 8 characters for security purposes. After entering your email and password, click Sign Up to continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter some personal details. Don't worry, Credit Karma protects your information with secure encryption, and providing these details won't affect your credit score. First, enter your first and last name. Then, choose what you're looking to use Credit Karma for by selecting an option from the list. Once that's done, scroll down and click Continue. You'll now be asked to fill out your address. Enter your street address, and if you live in an apartment or unit, add that as well. This part is optional. Then input your city, select your state from the drop-down menu, and add your zip code. After completing the form, click Continue. Next, you'll need to verify your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is encrypted with 256-bit security. After that, enter your date of birth by selecting the month, day, and year from the menus. Once you've filled in everything, click Continue. Finally, take a moment to read through the terms of service, privacy policy, and any agreements. Once you've reviewed them, check the box that says you agree and understand. Click Continue one last time, and your Credit Karma account will be successfully created.